Bitcoin and various other cryptos are hitting new all-time highs, and that means this meme season is going to be exploding, with Doge, Pepe, and Popcat have been kind of just underperforming, leaving space for fresh contenders. And I'm very excited because CatSlap is making some massive gains in the last 24 hours.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor.
So let's get into it. This is CatSlap, and it's been just going on a crazy bull run where it was leading #1 in DEX DEX tools. If we check out the good old DEX tools, you can see it just had this massive pump. It went from, let's pull this bad boy up, 2,000%. So if you got in that early, then congratulations, you made some massive gains. They have a DEX score of 99 out of a 99, over $24 million market cap with 698 volume in just the last 24 hours. If you invested, I believe it's like $500, you would have been almost at a 30,000 gain, which is just pretty insane. So like I said, congratulations to those who made some massive money in this token. You can get in and stake your sweet CatSlap token, and it is very liquid with 3.8 million in liquidity. I love this little like button where you can slap Pepe with the CatSlap. It is pretty sweet. This is the token address. It's all about cats slapping the shit out of other cats. So how do you buy the CatSlap token? Well, you get the best wallet. You click on upcoming tokens and you use a crypto card to buy slap tokens, which I think seems pretty hard based on that description, when you can literally just buy it on Uniswap. You just click on Uniswap and it brings it up here, and you swap your sweet tokens for CatSlap on the Ethereum blockchain. Slaponomics, as they would say. There's a 9 billion token supply with 50% liquidity, 20% staking rewards, 10% community rewards, 10% fun, and team is vested at 10% for 10 years. You can see that they have the game here where you can, not game, but emoji or GIF that you can, interactive button you can play with. There is slaps around the world, so quite a bit of slaps, like I'm gonna say 15 million. Oh, I guess best wallet is a new wallet. I've actually never heard of this wallet, so that's why it was so confusing to me. I'm used to other wallets like MetaMasks and Trust Wallet and all the major ones, but that's cool. Tokens burned, over 12 million tokens have been burned, with the next milestone being 25 million. All of the major YouTube channels and the frequently asked questions. If we check out the CatSlap, you can see that people are buying and selling. I mean, it looks like just today there's been massive amounts of volume just all day. Lots of people are eating it up, or slapping it up, one could say. We can see their audit here with all of their information. It's a 60 out of 100. They have some volume here, all of the information that you should care about, like not being able to be minted to death, no blacklisting, and so forth. They do have all good checks besides this informational one. And then obviously they have such a huge following on X. If we pull up X, you can see 10,000 followers. If we look at their Telegram, over 985 people. It's the meow slap, you know, what they're going for. Is going down in history with over 10,000 followers in their community, with over 6,000, almost 6,000 holders, with a market cap of 43 million. That was, I think, a couple days ago. So definitely a little bit outdated. They have burnt a lot of tokens, like we went over 7 hours ago, and they're going to be shooting up for Binance with a $100 million market cap, really shooting for that 1 penny slot. So definitely quite a long way to go, but with a great community, they can do great things. So they do have some passive ways to earn with staking, a play to earn mechanic, which they just insane, 40% APY, annual percentage yield. That is just amazing. Let's go check that out real quick. So if we go over to the staking, we can see that there's 317 million staked with a 40% estimated reward for the year. You can see their burn tracker, just insane. Just every day, more and more slap is being burnt. It seems like multiple times a day on the 27th. So lots of money to be had by burning the tokens, which increases the profits for everyone every single day. With major influencers like Austin Hilton really pushing out this token, and the November season, a meme coin coming right around the corner. This is going to be insane. So in summary, this token is burning tokens to reduce supply, which is increasing demand. There's major influencers pushing this token, and they have a burning mechanic. Like I said, they have staking rewards that gives back to the community and a play to earn game. So all of that mixed together makes this a token that is one that could be going to the moon. So I'm very excited for this token. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you gonna slap the cat, or are you gonna be slapped back? That's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.